Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ka jing shakri ka jongka. Baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk. Ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali ki laptop. Kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau.
Hado ars pak ndangu ki Khynnah Skul naki pratli ki Skul ki bahap hapok mau plang CNRD blog kleshim binta haki inter school chess tournament ko pinlong daga mau plang opo primary school daga jinga trelang baka Meghalaya Chess Association haka kedan senior boys ugat me ling dok mau plang naga mau plang secondary school lo job yaga kedan meningkong kat bawan ki babiang sun na mau ngap Christian multipurpose higher secondary school lo job yaga kedan ka baar Baru John Elridge Wardry Nasaro Maukria Presbyterian Secondary School lo job ya kedan kabalai. Haka kedan senior girls ke Amy Dekaram Bai na mau pulang secondary school ke job ya kedan Beningkong. Kat bago Faithful Renja na mau pulang secondary school ke job ya kedan kabaar. Bak kebayasuk Nong Klau na mau pulang secondary school ke job ya kedan kabalai. Haga junior boys u first star this year naga St. Paul's Secondary School Marbisu lo job ya kedan Beningkong. Wilbert Kinsaisat na St. Paul's Secondary School Marbisu lo job ya kedan kabaar. But Rudolph Rani na mau pulang secondary school lo job ya kedan kabalai. Haga kedan under 14 jangi kinthe ke Catherine Kedalin Thaba na St. Paul's Secondary Marbisu lo job ya kedan Beningkong. Ka Philippine Command Kriem na Kamongap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ke job ya kedan kabaar. But ke Twinkle Khaling Khoi na mau pulang secondary school ke job ya kedan kabalai. Ya kita kemala samru syaki berjob hak kedan kebasaw. Haduk ke kedan kebashipau. Du Director ke State Education and Literacy Uswab Nel Tembe. Belong ke Mukong San. Ringkat ke Jung Sakilang. Jung President ke Meghalaya Chess Association bat kiwe-kiwe.
Now, chess is something, chess is a game which is very good for your brain. So when you have to make your physique health. We run, we play, we do some physical activities. But to make your brain more active and healthy, so this is the game for the brain, right? So when you play it, it helps your cognitive skills, it helps your memory, it helps your decision making. It is proven. I mean, there are scientific research on this, how chess helps, especially the young kids. So even if you don't go professional, it's very good that everyone plays. It's way better than getting, all kind of other things like video games and mobiles and stuff. This is way better. This will help the children improve. So those teachers who are there from other schools, I hope you have started a chess club. If not, please do that. The members of the Meghalaya Chess Association are helping more than, I think, 700 schools. The School in Chess program is there. And there is an immense movement going on in Meghalaya right now. And hopefully in the coming times we'll see a lot more. But more important thing is to just enjoy the game and to, learn and to spread the chess movement around. So I'm happy to see that. I was also happy to see some of these students. They participated in the state level event also. So congratulations to them. Whenever there is such participation, I encourage the parents, if they can, ensure their children participate. Of course, it takes a lot of effort, but, if it's possible, it will help the children to grow. When they go to such tournament, they meet other students from other schools. There's a cross learning, there's friendship, there's learning, there is, they get more exposure. They know many things. So for example, chess tournaments, they keep on happening, and if they do well, they may get a chance to play some tournament outside, maybe in Assam, maybe in Delhi, maybe abroad also. And these opportunities will give great exposure to the children. So that is why we must ensure that this is done. So taking it forward, first of all, congratulations to all the participants. Participation for me is like winning only. I mean, when you are participating, that is success for you. Of course, some will win, some will lose. That's okay, but you can try next time. But more important is to participate. So try to participate in all kind of activities, be it chess, be it sports, be it anything else. And I hope that Meghalaya, as on now, India has, I don't know how, 85 grandmasters? 85, right? So India has 85 grandmasters in chess, but of course from Northeast only one. no GM is there from Northeast. So there's a great potential, and the grand GM is Grandmaster. So I hope all your kids who are interested in chess, you should aspire to become a Grandmaster. We in India have a population of 1.4 billion, yeah, 140 crore, but only 84 of them are grandmasters, 85. So imagine, like, how unique it is to be a grandmaster in chess. So I give this challenge to all the young players: try your best to become a grandmaster, to become an international master. Try for that, and I'm sure you'll succeed.